The headlines. The Lok Sabha polls will conduct in 7 phases beginning the 19th of next month. The counting will take place on 4th of June this year. Voting for the 2 Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya, Tura and Shillong will be held under the first phase on April 19th. The Election Commission of India announces assembly election dates for Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan discusses regional security with Additional Director General of BSF Eastern Command. And Khasi author Daniel Stone Lingdot releases his book entitled Ayungin Le Hajing Im Batang Shisin in Bangladesh. The news in detail. The Lok Sabha polls will be conducted in 7 phases beginning the 19th of next month. The counting will take place on the 4th of June this year. The polling for the first phase in 102 Lok Sabha seat will be conducted on 19 April. The second phase for 89 seats on 26 April. The third phase will be held on 7 May for 94 seats, while 96 seats will go to poll in the fourth phase on 13 May. In the fifth phase, 49 parliamentary constituencies will go to the poll on 20th May, while in the sixth phase, 57 seats will have voting on 25th May, and the last and the seventh phase will be held on 1st June in 57 Lok Sabha seats.
We'll do it in 7 phases, as was done last time. 7 phases. Phase 1 will start from 20th March notification, 5 days from now. And last date of withdrawal would be 30th March and date of poll would be 19th of April. और 19 अप्रैल को यहाँ वोटिंग होगी और पूरी कंट्री में 4 जून को काउंटिंग होगी.
Voting for the 2 Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya, Tura and Shillong will be held under the first phase on April 19, while the counting will be held on June 4th. Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar announced that the Lok Sabha election will be held in 7 phases. With the announcement of the dates of the election, the Model Code of Conduct comes to effect immediately. The notification for the first phase of election will be issued on March 20th, and the last date for nomination is March 27, while scrutiny of papers will be held on March 28th. The Election Commission on Saturday announced the dates for assembly elections for some poll-bound states. The terms of legislative assemblies of Andhra Pradesh, Odisha, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim are also due to expire by the month of June. Assembly elections will be held in Andhra Pradesh on May 13, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim on April 19. Odisha will vote in 2 phases on May 13 and May 20th. By poll on 26 assembly seats will also be held along with the Lok Sabha polls.
11th June 24 with 175 assembly constituencies. These are the simultaneous elections to the parliament. They will be held simultaneously. They will also be held in the same phase where the parliament elections will be held. इसके बाद अरुणाचल प्रदेश में डेट ऑफ गजट नोटिफिकेशन 20 मार्च को होगा और डेट ऑफ पोल 29 अप्रैल को होगी. 20 मार्च को गजट नोटिफिकेशन, 29 अप्रैल को डेट ऑफ पोल.
Taking effective governance closer to the grassroots by keeping them informed and updated on key issues, the Northeast Center for Technology Application and Reach, NECTA, under Department of Science and Technology, has set up a community radio station, CRS, named as Maukanrao 89.60 FM Community Radio, in Jongsha village under Maukanrao Block, East Khasi Hills District in Meghalaya.
This FM community radio is the first of its kind in the state of Meghalaya, covering the rural areas, which can be tuned to 89.6 MHz on FM band from your radio or mobile devices to listen to informative programs on education, health, environment, agriculture, local music. The CRS project is entirely funded by NECTA, amounting to Rs 60 lakhs and will be operated by the village Dorbar Jongsha.
I would like to express my gratitude toward the NECTA of in providing this wonderful radio station for the benefit of our people in my constituency. We will keep working hand in hand together so that people can reach out to this station, radio station.
The project, which has the objective of rural empowerment, social and economic development, was inaugurated by Maukandru MLA Bante Dorlingdo, who expressed his gratitude to Nectar for starting this project in his constituency. Chief Advisor Radio Technologies S. Das informed that it takes 2 years for them to be able to fulfill this project. He also expressed hope that the village community will take forward for the sustainability of this project.
We dreamed about having a project which we can deliver to the community. We have so many hidden talents. We saw this beautiful performance by these young students from the school. So that is one such platform we thought that we can give to the community. This radio station, I hope you will be able to use it as we have dreamed, and it is your platform to showcase your talent.
This project is expected to help in promoting agriculture, rural livelihood and community development, benefiting more than 100 isolated villages with a population of approximately 35,000 people under Maukandru block and adjacent rural areas. Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan discussed regional security, border management and collaboration between BSF and the state government with the Additional Director General ADG of Eastern Command Border Security Force Ravi Gandhi at the Raj Bhavan. The Governor emphasized ongoing cooperation for citizen safety. The ADG also reaffirmed the BSF commitment of peace along the eastern borders and readiness for close collaboration with the state administration. Khasi author Daniel Stone Lingdot released his book entitled Ayungin Le Hajing Im Batang Shisin at Rajai village, Bangladesh on Friday at the premises of the house of Deputy Chief of Hima Nongstoin, late Wycliffe Seim. The book was released by the eldest son of late Wycliffe Seim, Andrew Joel Solamar, who is also the organizing secretary of Bangladesh Indigenous Peoples Forum, BIPF. Speaking as a chief guest, Andrew Joel Solamar said the book speaks 4 important parts, and that is about religion, nationalism, patriotism and tribe, which forms parts in the life of every individual in his daily life. Present at the launch of the book is the 93-years-old wife of late Wycliffe's aim, Relimai Solamar. For Lingdo, releasing the book in Bangladesh was a symbol of support and encouragement to the Khasi families in Bangladesh. In a concerted effort to combat tuberculosis and provide essential nutritional support to TB patients in Riboy district, the Office of the District Tuberculosis Office, in collaboration with Nezon Pipes and Structure NTL Steel, organized a program on March 15 at Civil Hospital Nongpo to distribute nutritional food-based baskets to the TB patients. 27 TB patients received nutritional food baskets. The primary goal was to raise awareness among residents of Riboy district about the collective responsibility in eradicating tuberculosis from the region. This initiative aligns with the objectives of the Pradhan Mantri TB Mukh Bharat Abhiyan PMTBM-BA, an initiative by the central government aimed at eliminating tuberculosis by the end of 2025. The All India Children's Educational E-Content Competition organized by the Central Institute of Educational Technology concluded on Saturday at Neri Campus, Nongsder, Umyam. The ongoing e-competition is a national-level e-content competition which had nearly 750 plus entries, 200 entries for audio, more than 100 entries for immersive e-content, and 450 entries for videos and animation. The participation was received from 27 states out of 36 states and union territories, including entries from Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, and Meghalaya. 81 prizes were distributed along the cash prizes worth around 15 lakhs. Minister of Education Sri Rakam A. Sangma was the chief guest. He said that the e-content will definitely enhance the learning skills of the children and also the teaching skills of the teachers.
Our skills, our ideas. It's a blessing technologically, the e-contents will definitely enhance the learning skill of our children and also the teaching skills of our teachers.
To increase awareness of the importance of kidneys to our health and reduce the impact of kidney disease and associated problems worldwide, the World Kidney Day was celebrated on March 14 at University of Science and Technology, Kanaparan, Ribhoi. Addressing an enthusiastic gathering of students and faculty members at the NKC Auditorium, Dr. Sarbeswar Saharia, Pro-Vice Chancellor of USTM, mentioned the 8 golden rules to prevent kidney disease. Keep fit and active, keep regular control of blood sugar level, monitor blood pressure regularly, eat healthy and keep weight in check. Stay hydrated, no smoking, not take over-the-counter pills regularly, and to get the kidney function tested if one has some high-risk factor.
Every year we conduct this program. Again, our basic idea is to educate the public about the danger of having kidney disease, how it can be prevented, how it can be detected early, and how lastly, how it can be treated. Now, in this situation like this, the treatment should come in the last, because our aim is here is not to treat kidney failure patients. Our aim here is to how to prevent, so that they do not have to go to that stage where they need a very difficult and expensive and complicated treatment like dialysis or kidney transplant, which is not easier said than done.
And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded 23.5 degrees Celsius. Minimum temperature recorded 12.0 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 46%. Relative humidity in the evening was 39%. The forecast: light rain is likely at isolated places. Before we wind up, let's have a look at the headlines once again. The Lok Sabha polls will be conducted in 7 phases beginning the 19th of next month. The counting will take place on the 4th of June this year. Voting for the 2 Lok Sabha seats in Meghalaya, Tura and Shillong will be held under the first phase on April 19. The Election Commission of India announces assembly election dates for Arunachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh and Odisha. Meghalaya Governor Phagu Chauhan discusses regional security with Additional Director General of BSF Eastern Command. And Khasi author Daniel Stone Lingdot releases his book entitled Ayung Nginle Hajing Im Batang Shisin in Bangladesh. Well, viewers, that's all we have in today's edition of the news. Do join us again with more updates. Have yourself a good night.